food guys, oh. We lost guys. And then we're here, our food, oh look.
We're supposed to serve two.
But no choice guys because
This is an appetizer.
our feet is tired and then we're hungry. So
One green pepper.
what is that?
Green
Pepper?
pepper. One green pepper. One green pepper.
Why you asking me that, Nico? That you know already I'm not eating the vegetables.
I know that's why you're sick all the time.
You know already that I'm not eating vegetables, but you still continue asking me. Why?
Trying to get you to eat your vegetables.
Hello guys. Where I am guys? Where? See me?
Guess where we're at? We're at Will's. No, we're not.
I'll show you guys ha. Tara guys, ang disapot guys. I'll show you guys. Disapot na siya guys. Awa guys, disapot na siya guys. Gawa niya nakiti ang king crab. Ang sana? Crab guys. Nabawa may pangita guys. Kapoy among tiil ang pangita. We'll just eat this ha.
This isn't any good. This is okay.
I like this honey. Right? I like.
It's okay. This is okay. But I made a mess of the table because it fell off the spoon.
Para?
Nope.
Guys, look at his eyes. Rice guys. Daghan ka ano. Daghan ka yung rice.
Are you having fun?
I think they cook already honey and then they just reheat this.
Probably.
Ay pagkuyog bay din lang kabay ha.
Huh? You don't eat vegetables at the table.
You eat that. That is not
No.
my favorite.
I got beef too.
Last night guys, sa Waterfront Hotel. Gusto mong kaay ko gahapon. Wa ko'y kaon kahapon, tibok adlaw.
She ate 3 servings of rice. 3.
Gusto mong kaay ko guys.
Bigger than these. 3.
No
And
breakfast.
then she ate the beef out of the stuff. She didn't eat the veggies. I ate some of the veggies. I had fish and chips.
Siya akong gi-order guys.
And she ate some of my fish and chips.
Eggs, ano, beef soup, honey ko.
Basically, yeah.
Sinigang na,
Beef and vegetable soup.
sinigang na beef, honey. Sinigang na beef. That's what I
That
ordered.
sounds right, yeah.
Yeah, sinigang, that we call sinigang. Sinigang na beef na ako kong i-order. Yan guys. Karon, dako siya guys, mga guys, dako. Og tulo ka rice cup, tulo ka niya ni. Nahurot na ako guys.
The song was going through my head this morning.
Gutom kayo. Way mamahaw pa ni Otto ba niya po. Pag dinner na nga nahurot tulo kayo niya ni.
She said that the rice serving was small, so she ordered 3.
I'm very hungry.
And it was easily a cup and a half each.
Pagkabunta guys, alas 9, todo na akong exercise.
Good luck.
Exercise. Todo na akong exercise guys. Kay Pagkamay na ako, akong iyan kay porting dako ang gabi. Iburot mo na gubat ka buwan. 4 months pregnant.
She looked really good doing the exercises, though. She was only wearing her nightgown dress. Very pretty.
Nabaw ko exercise lagi guys. Nabaw ko exercise kay tungod sa kada ko tiyan nga nakahurot og tulo ka kap makanon. O sa kabaol nga sinigang beef masabaw.
I did get some on the back of my finger.
Karon guys,
Doing my trick.
nami diri sa Ayala Center Cebu guys. Kaya gipanggutom eh. O sara ka order ang gi-order oh. What's the name of this honey?
I don't know.
O sara mong gi-order.
It was beef something.
Kaya wala siya kauyon. Mangita may restaurant. Katong seafood ba? Seafood. Anya kay nakakaon pa man mi karon. Anya namin sa mi dinner. Pangitaon to namo. Pila ka oras mi magtuyok din sa Ayala.
Did you bring money?
Yes.
Did you really? I was joking. I was joking. Is it gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Oh, don't shake the table, hon. Don't shake the table. I judged it just right, but boy, it is full.
You don't like this honey?
I like it.
Because I like this. I gonna eat this all. If you don't like. I like tauge honey.
Oh, I eat it, but not eat. Oh, I got two. I'll try to grab one. I think I made that much of this. Oh, that's just water. This is the theme song from Robin Hood. And it's a very good song. It's a love song. I would fight for you, I'd do anything for you, I'd die for you. Everything I do. I do it for you. Copyright.
Guys,
Copyright.
it's okay. Nag-order ko gabi og sinigang nga baka mga guys sabaw. Sa Waterfront Hotel. Mahal kay mga guys, saka bawal mga guys. Mahal kaayo. 900 what that ano? 980 pesos.
Sounds right. Something like that. Mine was, no, yours was like $8.50. Mine was like, okay.
700 chicken that 720 ratio me expensive for me
What were you talking about last night?
last night.
Mine was not chicken. That was fish and chips.
720.
Is that all it was? It's still expensive as all get out, but it was good. It was good size pieces of fish. Two.
Mahal ka lang pagkaon sa Waterfront Hotel mga guys. That's why we are here in Ayala. We try to find a little bit, not very expensive.
Hear about the price. Good. What? You're done with your rice and you're not eating more? Will you eat that?
Eat that all honey.
Why not? Why? You want to have more?
I'm done.
Serious?
Yeah.
I was being nice.
I'm
Knew I was really hungry.
Because that time, I regret ordering 3 times, right?
No, not 3 times that. That's like half the size of the bowls that she ordered.
I regret 3
The
times.
bowls were this size.
It was very big
The
my
bowls were
tummy
this
last time.
size. This is the big the bowls were.
That's why when I'm morning and exercise, doing exercise more. Now my legs is tired, very tired.
I
Pain.
was totally surprised she ate all 3 bowls of rice.
Very pain my legs is for doing exercise early in the
No,
morning.
her legs aren't paid for doing exercise. She's carrying all the extra weight of the rice. That's why her legs hurt.
Hello guys, mga guys, this kind of restaurant is for restaurant because there's soft drinks only Coke. No other choices. Coke only.
There's others. Yeah, others. It wasn't Coke drinks. It was like Sprite. And they had Sprite too.
No, they don't have. I suppose not to drink Coke, but since they don't have other soft drinks, no choices.
The choice was original Coke or Coke Zero.
They did not mention if they have Royal or Sprite. They did not mention
Well,
only
they didn't have
Coke.
that. No, they didn't have that.
Ika po yung pangita sa seafood restaurant, mga guys.
I still want to find that place.
Sakit na namon tiil si pangita, mga guys.
Not to eat there necessarily, just to find it because we walked what 45 minutes.
We got tired our feet. We got tired our finger feet.
Or what?
Finger feet. Finger feet.
Finger feet. I posted it to my Facebook page. I'll have to do a quick little video of it or insert it someplace. She said one night my finger feet hurt or itch. My finger feet itch. And I didn't even, it didn't take me more than half a second to know that she's talking about her toes. My finger feet itch.
I know why you easily know that you easily what is meant that because my feet is itching your skin.
Maybe. That may be why. But instantly I knew she was talking about her toes. Finger feet. Finger feet.
It's a joke English that nito.
It was hilarious. I laughed for quite a while.
That's a funny, honey. If you are a foreigner married to a Filipina, not professional English, you discover more balintong English.
Tumbling.
tumbling English.
She speaks very good English. There's very, sometimes her slang, as she calls it, when I say something in English, I say in English, and she doesn't understand because it's slang. It's not slang, it's just normal. But then she says something in English, but she's got the accent, and also pronounces it a little weird. Like, what was the other one? Not too long ago. Said something that has an A in it, or no, an O, or a U.
The
Got a
same.
U in it, she said, because here, a U is an O. O,
I and A, the same.
yeah, I and E or E, and O and U are O.
The same.
So she said something that had a U in it, and it took me, what, 3 times, 4 times before I went, oh, you're saying that. Doesn't happen very often, but she had me totally floored. I had no idea what she was saying.
Mga guys, tired to marry a foreigner, mga guys. The problem is, when we are fighting, mga guys, that's the big problem, mga guys.
We don't ever fight.
Tired, very tired, mga guys.
We don't ever fight.
Fighting, English fighting is very tired. What I do? I'm more Bisaya, some of more Bisaya. He don't understand. I get more ang finger to him. Because, why you marry to Filipina, not professional English? That you
No, your resume said you had professional English.
Huh?
Your resume said that.
No,
You lied on your resume?
no. I told you that I'm not a very good English.
Actually, when we first started talking online, she said she was only talking to me so she could practice her English.
Yeah.
She wasn't interested in dating me. No long distance relationship, nothing. She just wanted to practice her English.
I told him, mga guys, I'm here in dating site and no serious because I'm a long time here in the site, but I did not find a serious man. So what I did is I'm still here to learn more English, to be a good English.
I could have messed with her. Not dated her and taught her English that was wrong.
My English, mga guys, marinto, tamling-tamling. That he said
She
that
speaks very good English. Are you having a hard time understanding her now when she's speaking English?
I told him, mga guys, my feet itching.
No.
Finger feet
She told me her
itching.
finger feet.
That she's
Still
laughing. It's laughing for him.
It's still funny. It's so funny. I knew what you were saying though. There's even more fun. There it is.
I know that toes, Nico, but I don't know how to call that the last finger of that. That is the last. I don't know what to call that.
Pinky toe.
I know that this finger is toes, but I don't know the last part. I don't know that.
There isn't a special name for it.
Toes,
Yes, I know.
the same toes.
Toes. Pinky toe.
Because this finger is kumengking.
Pinky toe.
Huh?
Pinky toe.
Pinky toe?
This is the pinky finger. Pinky finger.
I forgot. I know that.
Index finger. Pardon me. Middle
Toes.
finger. Ring finger. Pinky finger. Thumb.
But I don't know that the last only itchy, the last finger. So I just told you my finger. It's funny. It's laughing, mga guys. And what he did, mga guys,
I laughed
he
for
posted
like
on
10
Facebook,
minutes.
mga guys. He posted on that Facebook. He's laughing.
It is funny.
That is happiness, mga guys. My mystic English.
When it's something like that, oh yeah, I'm very happy.
That's why, mga guys, he married a Filipina, not professional English, because that is his happiness. The mystic English, the mystic words of English. That is happiness.
I
Mga
could,
guys,
I could make a stand-up routine and get funny on that one. I could be a comedian in front of a bunch of people. Yeah, well, my wife told me her finger toes itch. Her finger feet itch.
nawa mga guys, oh. Takatip mga guys, oh. Nahurot na mga guys. Imbis, dili ko mainom og coke mga guys. Awa nahurot.
In the cup was lost. Big mess.
I'm not like yours. You pour all your juice in the wells.
Wills?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. I've spilled drinks twice at Will's. One time going to get something, I knocked the cup over. The second time I was bringing my hand back and I hooked the straw with my shirt. That one got me soaking wet. The first one, it went away from me. The second one came right at me.
Karon mga guys, daw man na magkaon karon mga guys. Madto mag-shopping ni mga guys. Kay may kay naami karon din sa city, Cebu City. Kung saan mga guys, ang among balay mga guys, to man sa buntod, pinakabuntod. Namin nagbalay sa pinakabuntod mga guys. Kanya kung mulugsong san mi sa naman mi sa small city mga guys, nagpuyo. Kanya mong balay nasa buntod. Kanya ang among gipuyan nga ang city mga guys, ang ilang malls dili man incomplete. Dili tanan incomplete. Their products not complete. In the small city we live,
Oh,
not good. I'm
there's not
looking.
as many people at the shops and don't stock enough stuff. They stock enough.
It's different here in big city like this, Ayala. Ayala Mall is complete here. You can find here whatever you want. But there, just small selection there. You cannot find whatever you want
It's
there.
not really small. It's just not complete. It's like when I was first. I knew I was coming to the Philippines before I started looking for a wife. I knew I was moving to the Philippines, so I started watching like Filipina V. Great channel. And one of the things she said is, you can go to the grocery store and the shelves are stuffed. Look for a breakfast cereal. You better hope you only want what's there, because they have shelf after shelf after shelf of just the one cereal. Stocks, lots of stocks, but not a lot of selection. And that's what Gigi's trying to say, is there's not a lot of selection where we're at. Still, we're not starving. There's enough variety. We're not forced to just have one thing, but it's not as good a selection as here. That's true. But there's also a lot of expats that live in this area. There's not very many expats where we're at. I get stared at all the time. By adults too, but especially little kids.
There are more spots there, Haniko, but maybe they are just staying inside the house. We don't know.
Maybe.
Because more nice houses there.
Maybe a red spot. I didn't bring home. Yes, I do have a toothpick on me. I have a toothpick in my pocket. Flosser.
Did you see that when we are passing this side, it's in Barangay Totong, this side, there's more nice houses there. I like some design. That I think that is foreigner also.
Maybe, I don't know. Although the Canadian by the flatland, his house isn't nice.
No, not nice that.
He's just got a cheap
Not
house.
just cheap house that.
Made out of wood, right? Wood?
Wood. It's reverse. The fence is nice.
Yeah, that's true too.
Strong the fence, and
Nice
then the
fence,
house
but
not
the house
strong.
is, yeah.
Gonna throw away if there is a hard typhoon.
Well, maybe that's what he's hoping for, so he can rebuild. I don't know. All I know is one of the first times after he built his place, we went there and he's playing music very, very loud. So I didn't want him as a neighbor.
We supposed to do the house there. Magbalayon kami dito sa Platan nga among yuta guys, mabalit sa Platan. Magbalayon kami dito. Karon na timing man pag-visit niya dito mga guys. Nagpa-music man ang igsuon sa babae a Pilipina, wife sa Canadian. Pa-music kusog kaayo. Hagtop, di na discourage siya. Di ko na siya magbalay dito. Nabalay noon bis puntod. Sa mountain lot na mo, nabalay noon bis puntod.
And now that we live on the mountain, guess what's all around us? There have been a couple of nights I didn't sleep at all because they played loud music until 4 o'clock in the morning. Literally 4 o'clock in the morning.
If there is a pista, you know, Filipino is every pista they make very noise.
It was very noisy.
That is the happiness of some Filipino, honey, making noise. I think it's 50% of Filipino that is their happiness.
I like the noise you made this morning. You made really nice noise this morning.
But
Sorry, my finger is wet.
I will not finish the talk
Finish it.
because I cannot sleep later.
Waste. No waste. Finish.
Di ko makatulog mga guys basta mag-inom ko og coke.
See? Aren't you glad I only ordered one beer?
Magtambling-tambling ra ko sa daanan.
Aren't you glad I only ordered one beer instead of the two you tried to order me?
Good. But watch out your billing because maybe they're gonna put their two.
Oh, the billing?
Yeah.
I told you just one at a time. I was going to drink two, but didn't feel like it. I drank some of that. And I know right now if I had 2 beers, as empty as my stomach was and as tired as I am, it would hit me hard. I know for a fact 2 beers I can go like this. What do I sleep? So I don't want to go
Wala na upload among YouTube vlog. Yung ano?
Yeah, we haven't done an upload yet.
Sige lang may bugno mga guys.
I did that short. What was the short?
Sige lang may bugno. Tom and Jerry mga guys, sige lang bugno.
Bugno?
Bugno.
Bugno? What's that? It's not Bugno. It's Bugno.
That is happiness of Tom mga guys. Sige lang bugno.
Okay, that's what you say. It's about what's that?
Always fighting.
No, not my happiness. Not my happiness. Trust me.
Always fighting.
I hate fighting. So we made contracts. We signed contracts. And that's a good thing. Because either one of us can pull the contract out and say, this is what we agreed to. Shut up. Right? Shut up.
Guys,
That's it.
awa mo
In
video mga guys.
one of our first videos, while the house was being built, she went back up where the house was actually being constructed, and I said, I love that woman dearly. We fight like cats and dogs, but I love her. You can look back. It's from like February, March of 2024. I think it might be the same one we did the short where you said you're only human. I said, I thought I married emotion. That one. I'm only human, hon. And yes, she was angry. I was angry a little bit too. And when she said that, and I turned it into a joke, and we were okay.
Honey,
Yeah.
the ice is more ice this when they if now it's gone.
That's because there's no aircon in here. There literally is no air conditioning in this restaurant. Well, there is, but it's like 30 degrees in here. Okay, maybe 28, but it feels like 30. My back has finally stopped sweating.
Mga guys,
You gonna finish that?
ha?
You gonna finish that?
Drink, kaniko? Drink, inom? Inom?
I was waiting for her to say that.
Guys, among YouTube vlog mga guys. Manang walay permi update kay magsige man may bugno unya ang editor si Tom. No, yo. Si Tom man ang editor mga guys. So, walay upload permi. Kung si Jerry lang ang editor mga guys, upload permi mga guys. Unya si Jerry mga guys, di man ka mo edit mga guys. Manang way upload permi. Kay si Jerry di ka mo edit. Ituduan ni Tom si Jerry di ka mao. Di ka mao si Jerry mga guys.
It takes a lot of time editing videos. Some of them are really easy, but for the most part, no. It takes. Oh, here you go, American.
This one video ko. No need to
No, this yeah.
Edit?
There's not there's not much editing. I might put comments on there, but if it's a 360 video, I gotta do most times some serious editing.
no need to
Views
edit
change.
this. You can upload this directly.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'll do it.
She doesn't know how.
Do it.
She doesn't know how. She can upload it directly from her phone right now if she wants to, but she doesn't know how.
I know how to upload in the YouTube, but
No, you don't.
I don't know
Prove
how
it.
to put
Prove it. Prove it.
add
Oh no, I
the
don't.
start, the picture, and then the last one. Click the notification below. I don't know how to make that.
Well, that you have to actually get the files up for me. But no, you can't do it on your phone when you've got you have to install an app. And unfortunately, CapCut now is. If you want to be able to use CapCut more than once a month and not have their watermark show up on your videos, you have to go pro. That's expensive. So I am going back and relearning. What's the other one? OpenShot. OpenShot. Still free, 100% free. Open source, the whole thing. So that's what we'll be doing from now on instead of CapCut, because CapCut is. I understand they're trying to make money. That's fine, but they're not going to get money from us.
We'll not using CapCut because they won't let us to edit without money. So we will use
Oh
others.
no, that's not right. We can do it, But right across the middle of the screen, like 1/3 of the screen, all the way across, it says CapCut, blocking most of the view of what is going on in the middle of the shop.
That is their way how to get money. Haliko, they put their CapCut to get money from us.
Well, if you want that removed, you have to pay the professional, the pro version, and then they can remove it. No watermark.
Same like the aircon. Did you find the? Did you get their? Why they instead of free, what do you call warranty? Instead, it's free warranty, but how to get money? It's free
Required cleaning.
free warranty, but when you're cleaning, it's not free.
They needed a little more cleaning than what I had done. I didn't know how dirty the squirrel cages were, but it wasn't that bad. The thing is the cleaners, they didn't have all the equipment they needed. In fact, when we were at high precision yesterday, they had air fund cleaning going on. They had the proper tools to be able to funnel the water without going everywhere. They had the little bag thing. In fact, the video you posted on your Facebook page, they had the thing that goes all the way around the inside air pump, and they were able to clean it without it going everywhere. Not like the guys that showed up at our place.
They have also that, but their what do you call trapal they use? It's all broken. They're supposed to change it.
Well, they just use a regular trapal, the one that is in the video you posted on your page. It's like it's got elastic around it, so they had to stretch it around the. If it's tight, that's what's on the video you posted. And they didn't have that when they cleaned ours.
I think the same that part, the same that, but they use new than the cleaner we clean our. It's old. They use old. They did not change. Still old. It's broken.
The thing is, they made a mess. They got water all over the place.
But I covered all the bed. I covered.
You covered. They did.
Yes, I covered just to make safe.
Well,
Not,
yeah, it would, if you hadn't covered, it'd have been a mess. But their equipment should have made it so it couldn't make a mess. That's all I'm saying. It would have been nice if they had proper equipment. That's okay. We got clean.
you make it review. So they're fine review.
They don't want me to do a review.
So they will change it.
They don't want me to do a review.
You make review. Hello guys. Bye guys.
Did you want to get a drink or are we leaving?
No, we'll go. We'll shopping now because it's 4 p.m. now maybe.
No, it's probably only about 2. 1:30.
Let's go Anika because I'm very
We gotta pay first. Unless you want to get away.
run away. I will go run away.
Like Will's the one time, the only time we didn't pay first.
I forgot and I forgot also. We're gonna go and did not pay. The good thing is the woman seller is quickly calling me.
Good people there. Good people.
Core Pacific
Hmm?
Money Exchange. Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe the owner of that is foreigner.
Maybe. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to use this much longer. It's the first time I've used it, but it's been wrapped up and it's not gonna dry.
Throw it. There is bacteria that when you use that, throw it.
This is the first time I've used it. So I'm gonna use it later when I go to another restaurant where I might need it.
But few hours ago, it's bacteria there.
It's my bacteria. It's okay.
Still bacteria
It's
even if
my
it's
bacteria.
bacteria.
It's from my mouth. It's okay.
Hello guys. Thank you for watching guys.
Oh, I think we're done.
Continue
Are we
watching
done?
guys ha, even we don't have upload. Just watching our videos. So you can discover Tom and Jerry fighting because we're gonna upload our fighting soon.
We've had some good fights that were not good. Good as in they were fights.
We're done now. Let's go. Yes.
Oh.
Click the notification.
Hit the notification bell. Hit
Subscribe.
Hit the notification.
Subscribe our
Hit the
channel.
notification bell. Hit the notification bell. Say it.
Hit the notification bell.
Click.
Click.
Click the notification.
The ring. Ding, 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 ding. Like that, guys. Click.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit.
Click the notification.
See? She remembers.
Click.
Bye.